like being in the box.
Wait, don't continue yet.
I'm not going. You gotta wait for me too. Don't sit up, sis.
Hi. We're at Buffalo Mountain.
No.
Dragon's
I mean Dragon Tooth, sorry.
Abby, you've got stuff in your hair, honey.
I know. We're on a mountain. Why is the camera on?
Here you go, Dad.
Yeah. Hi, we're at Dragon's Tooth with Emma and her dad and her brother. And now we're hiking again.
Your mom and your brother are here too.
No, her dad.
Your mom and your brother are here too. You left us out.
And my mom and brother.
Oh, it didn't take more fun. Didn't take more fun.
I don't think I want this angle on your camera, please.
Yeah, it's on.
Can we climb up there?
Let's go take a look.
Will we fall?
Well, I'm not. Try not to.
You better not fall.
You can climb up there.
Where's Emma? There she is.
There might be something.
No, I can see your brother's foot.
Here we go.
Really?
Let's keep going.
No, wait. Yes?
Go. Please.
It's a good view up there.
If
Almost that. Almost that.
Oh yeah. Excuse me. I'm hungry. How'd you get up there?
Over the outside where Braden came up.
How'd you get up here, Dad? Papa!
Can't remember how I got up that way. All I know is that can't do it again.
Braden, try going through there.
Oh. Like going through there? That is it.
Shoot down that hole right there.
Come on over here, Braden.
That's the easy way to get down. That's the easy way to get up too.
I got it.
I'm glad I went that way this time.
Got it? I believe so. If not, I'm going to bust my butt. Go ahead.
No, you don't want to fall from here.
Huh, no way.
I made it.
Is Emma coming up?
No,
Or is she going to stay down there?
she's gonna stay here.
Okay.
Whoa. I would not be lucky if I jumped. I don't know if Nick and them are gonna come up because Nick has fear of heights.
Oh, he does?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's Tiny Car?
Over there.
I crushed it.
Oh, I crushed him many times. I made it!
You should come up here.
I just crushed the car.
It's an awesome view. Alright, let's start again.
Yeah.
Right there. See it. I killed it. Crushed it again. Again.
Oh, there's a truck.
One last time. I'm tracking the power line.
Wow. I'll get down.
Oh man.
I'm hungry.
I don't eat my gummies up there.
Don't eat my snacks. Yes. I heard Emma's voice.
Oh, there's Emma.
I'm saying if it was Emma. I'm coming, Emma. Hi. Wait, Emma, come here. Why? Try to get up. I can't. Here, I'll tell you how.
No, up the hole between the rocks. That's
Yeah, go up there and then just
Not as
grab right there. Grab that little edge right there. Then then just hang off of it and put your elbows right here. Right here.
the same way we go down.
Put your foot down
The other
there.
way that I took the first
One
time,
of
and the
them.
way that Dad took, That was kind of creepy.
Oh no, like, yeah. And then grab those hands on that. Okay. And the ledge there. And then pull yourself up. Whoa. Whoa. We're crushing cars.
We are.
Yeah. We're at Dragons too.
Abby, your bookmark is supposed to go behind you.
I know, I don't want it to.
Swinging around.
20 years from now, we will remember this.
No, we won't.
I hope you do.
Well, yeah, we will.
There's a car.
Well, we'll be busy getting a dreaming car. Actually, I'll be already out of college.
I will be in college.
No, you won't. Not in 20 years. In 20 years, you'll be out of college too.
I'm 9, so how old are you?
29.
Oh,
Not that hard to add 20 to whatever it is.
I
have a pack of Sunkist at Reese's Cup.
Oh, going down
Oh.
before we eat anything.
Let me take my backpack. I don't think I can fit through the cracks.
Here you go, buddy. I'll take it for you. You gonna go down this way?
You?
I came down. Yeah. I was the first up here. No.
Then what do I do? What do I do?
Just turn sideways. There you go. Now come on down.
Where? Oh,
Okay, now turn around and wait for Emma. Help her if she can't see down, and you might be able to help her talk her to put her foot.
my dad's right there.
Yeah, but he can't see.
Did you get me?
He can't see down here where you are.
Did you get me?
Yes. Yes.
What did I do?
I know, right? You're not even here.
What do I do?
Because we forget. Don't forget.
I need to eat.
Oops.
And how did I get up here?
Then do an apple or a
There he is.
Out of me and the girls, I think I made it down the fastest.
Well, of course you did.
Howdy.
Luke.
I can't believe I climbed through. Look at it.
We didn't make it all the way up there. We just rolled here.
Yeah. You want your granola bar? Okay. Then here's the free stuff.
Snack bag.
But, I'm okay right now. I don't know how to put $10.
After Trailblazer Brady got us off the trail.
Well, you would have just taken it straight down the side of the mountain.
Where's the
That's why the
Where those guys are.
follow the white blaze.
See those?
Then go around to the right. Yeah, I fell down following you. It's all your guys' fault. Off the trail.
No, it's not.
Got it? I was going to pull you up.
Come up this one. Ow.
No. Crazies. All right, Braden, watch, girl. You gotta keep your brother in check, Abigail. Make sure he's following the right trail.
Bye.
I was wondering if I could tell you this really is pretty steep. So you really climb.
We're following the blue mark.
No, there's white now. We're back on the.
That's why they see all these white ones all on here. That's why they try to make it real clear.
And I was just talking.
your dad and we're halfway down.
I'm glad I hurried up and caught up with him.
You do a pine cone on you, Emma. It just came off of you. I'm calm. I'm taking the interesting one.
I was going right. I was like, nope. Thank We're gonna back up on that one.
Can I get in with Emma? Miss, please? May I please get yes?
You